Hello, this is lecture 38, first BSc, first sem Maths, Unit 3, problems on indeterminate forms from Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So, we have already in lecture 36 and 37 indeterminate forms of 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity forms. Whereas now, other indeterminate forms 0 into infinity, comma, infinity minus infinity, comma, 0 power 0, comma, 1 power infinity, comma, infinity to power of 0 can be reduced to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form with suitable simplification and apply L'Hospital rule. So that now the third form is to be Roman 3, because Roman 1 is 0 by 0 form, Roman 2 is indeterminate form infinity by infinity, whereas now 0 into infinity, indeterminate form 0 into infinity. So how can we solve the problems when the limit is 0 to infinity? So problems. First problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, x into log x. So solution, given limit x tends to 0, x log x is equal to it is of 0 into infinity form, since log 0 is equal to minus infinity. So that 0 into minus infinity form. So this will be is equal to, as it is 0 by 0 form or 0 into infinity form, is equal to limit x tends to 0. So whichever the 0 that will be taken to denominator, so that the remaining function is to be log x whole divided by 1 by x. Like this we will write. So now it is to be infinity by infinity form. As 1 by 0 is infinity, log 0 is minus infinity. Is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now apply the L'Hospital, as it is infinity by infinity form. Apply L'Hospital, so that 1 by x divided by minus 1 by x square is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x square divided by x is equal to minus limit x tends to 0, x is equal to 0. So the limit value of this function is, as x tends to 0, is 0. Next, second problem. All should be of 0 into infinity form. evaluate limit x tends to 0 sin x into log x. Solution. Given limit x tends to 0 sin x into log x is equal to 0 into infinity form, so that this will be is equal to limit x tends to 0, so this makes 0 form, so that log x is same in numerator, that 1 by x, 1 sin x is to be 1 by sin x is equal to limit x tends to 0 log x by cosecant x, as it is infinity by infinity form, so that apply L'Hospital. L'Hospital, this is equal to limit x tends to 0 1 by x divided by cosecant x is differentiation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x is equal to limit x tends to 0 limit x tends to 0. The first one is the sin x by x, that is minus sin x by x, and the second one is tan x. Automatically 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So again for this the limit is 0. So third problem, evaluate limit x tends to 0 x log tan x. Solution. Given limit x tends to 0 x log tan x is equal to, this is 0 into infinity form, so that this is equal to limit x tends to 0 log tan x divided by 1 by x, log tan x divided by 1 by x. So it is infinity by infinity form. Apply L'Hospital is equal to limit x tends to 0 1 by tan x into secant square x divided by minus 1 by x square is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x square by tan x into secant square x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x by tan x into x into secant square x is equal to minus 1 into 0 into 1 is equal to 0. So fourth problem, evaluate limit x tends to pi by 2 x minus pi by 2 into tan x. This is the previous problem. So the solution is limit x tends to pi by 2 x minus pi by 2 divided by tan x is equal to 0 into infinity form. So this is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 x minus pi by 2 divided by which form it is, this is 0, right? This is 0 into tan x. So tan x is to be numerator 1 by x minus pi by 2. It is infinity by infinity form. So apply L'Hospital. Apply L'Hospital. Apply L'Hospital. So this is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 secant square x by minus 1 by x minus pi by 2 whole square. Differentiate the numerator and denominator is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 limit x tends to pi by 2 minus of x minus pi by 2 whole square divided by cos square x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 x minus pi by 2 whole square divided by sin square of pi by 2 minus x. Sin square of pi by 2 minus x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 pi by 2 minus x whole square divided by sin square of pi by 2 minus x. So this will be is equal to as minus is there outside already. This is minus is equal to minus into 1 is equal to minus 1. This is sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0. Even x minus pi by 2 tends to 0 or pi by 2 minus x tends to 0 as x tends to pi by 2 implies x minus pi by 2 tends to 0 or pi by 2 minus x tends to 0. So that it is limit pi by 2 minus x tends to 0 pi by 2 minus x whole square divided by sin square of pi by 2 minus x is 1. So that before that minus is there, so that minus 1. Next, fourth one, Roman 4, indeterminate form, infinity minus infinity. Infinity minus infinity. If limit x tends to a, f of x minus g of x, it's an important method, it is equal to infinity minus infinity form, then reduce to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form with suitable simplification and apply L'Hospital rule. Here we take LCM and simplify the functions. Simplify the functions. Next, problems. problems. First problem. This problem is in 2016. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, 1 by x square minus 1 by sin square x. So solution, given limit x tends to 0, 1 by x square minus 1 by sin square x is equal to infinity minus infinity form. Infinity minus infinity form. So that this is equal to limit x tends to 0, x square, take LCM, sin square x minus x square divided by x square sin square x is equal to limit x tends to 0, sin square x minus x square divided by x square into sin square x divided by x square. Whenever the denominator is trigonometric terms, we can simplify that at first. So already x square is also there, this x square, and multiply and divide by x square is equal to limit x tends to 0, sin square x minus x square divided by x power 4. It is 0 by 0 form. Apply L'Hospital so that limit x tends to 0, 2 sin x cos x minus 2x whole divided by 4x cube is equal to limit x tends to 0, sin 2x minus 2x divided by 4x cube. It is again 0 by 0 form. L'Hospital that is equal to limit x tends to 0, 2 cos 2x minus 2 divided by 12x square is equal to limit x tends to 0, so 0 by 0 form, minus 4 sin 2x divided by 24x is equal to limit x tends to 0, minus 4 into sin 2x divided by 12 into 2x is equal to minus 4 by 12 into 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Next, second problem. It is in 2015. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, 1 by x minus 1 by sin x. So do this problem as its answer is 0. Homework problem. We take one more. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, secant x minus tan x. Its answer is also 0. And the simple problem I will give. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x its answer also is 0. So these two problems 0, and even the previous problem also 0. The simple problems you can write even here also. Secant x is 1 by cos x minus 1 by cot x, or otherwise 1 by cos x minus sin x by cos x. You can proceed like this: 1 by cos x minus sin x by cos x. Take LCM and simplify. Thank you very much. These problems you can do. The remaining we will continue in the next lecture.